Hi, my name is Alex Delzo and I'm here to talk to you about a chemical agent called sulfuric acid, or H2SO4. Many of you may have heard about this corrosive chemical, but not all of you may know of its effects. Sulfuric acid is a colorless, odorless, liquid compound capable of essentially devouring human flesh. Injuries that are common from this consist of chemical burns, blindness, damage to the lungs if inhaled. It causes a lot of medical issues along these lines that can be very easily remedied by using your basic lab safety. I'm talking splash goggles, if you're using a large quantity of it, using a full face mask. You use shoes, obviously you want to wear chemical resistant clothing, gloves. You want to do everything that you can to make sure that the chemical is as contained as possible and it's not going to get on anyone around you. The way this chemical is manufactured is rather simple. The problem with sulfur is that it's not soluble in water, but that's essentially what sulfuric acid is. So the way they do it is they burn sulfur to create sulfur dioxide. This is then oxidized into sulfur trioxide in the presence of a catalyst. Sulfur trioxide is then treated with water in order to create your sulfuric acid. Now we're going to talk about how this chemical can affect communities as a whole, pertaining to injuries and damage to property.
Hello, my name is Alvarola, and we're going to talk about the effects of sulfuric acid in the community. Usually, shipping areas are the most affected parts due to spills and such. Statistics show that in 2010, sulfuric acid was one of the top 10 most commonly spilled and released chemicals in Oregon. Usually, country states or cities that have really industrialized, such as Oregon, New York State, and Bartow, use this acid. The places this chemical is most prevalently happen to be the most heavily industrialized place in the world, such as China and the US. As far as funding for the issue goes, there are no major companies saying to stop using sulfuric acid. It's only a problem when it's spilled or released into the public, such as I-25. When a spill occurs, it's primarily the company responsible for the spill that pays for the cleanup and restorations. This is everything you need to learn and know about sulfuric acid. Thank you, and have a good day.